Hey Jeff, this is Nathan Crow with Wash Sensei. Talked to you on Facebook yesterday in one of the pressure washing groups. Just wanted to put this quick review together for you. Kind of give you a little free attack plan on some things you can do to help rank your site better on Google. I did take a look. It looks like you are showing up in the map pack. But the three things that I generally go over are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. And we'll get into what those are. Looking at the site here, your site looks great, but there's not a ton of content on it. With Google, content is king. Google likes to see about 1,500 words on this home page and 500 to 750 words on your back service pages. The reason for that is they want to know that your site is relevant to what people are searching for before they're going to rank it on Google. If somebody types in pressure washing Sherwood, Oregon, they want to know that that's what your site talks about. So you really want to be able to get those keywords in there organically and get Google to be able to find them. Some of the competition here, this guy also showed up in the map pack, but as you can see, he's got like zero content on this home page. Super easy to outrank him. This is another one that showed up there in the map pack. So there are ways to get into that map pack without having a stellar website, as you can see. And I am going to pull up one of the other guys that is organically ranking to kind of compare that here in a minute. But the reason that you want your content on there is for your keywords. Right now you're only showing up for 3 keywords organically on Google. All American Cleaners, and that's part of your name. And I'm not even sure what these two have to do with exactly what you're doing, but you're showing up in the 91st position and the 98th position on the 10th page of Google, so nobody's finding those anyway. But if we go over here and look, these guys aren't showing up for any keywords at all because they don't have any, and the same here. So these guys really, like, the citations, which is the next thing I'm going to show you, are the reason these guys have made it into that map pack. It's all about location and citations. So going into the citations are what gets you right here into this, what we call Google Map Pack. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet, the same way that you have it listed on your Google My Business page. So some examples of that would be yellowpages.com, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Merchant Circle. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of them out there. WhiteSpark is a tool that we use to look up citations. You're currently shown with 12. These guys have 9 and these guys have 6. One of the first things that I do when I take over doing marketing for someone is go in and add about 100 citations to that and just absolutely blow the rest of the guys out of the water. Get you up there, number 1 on that map pack as quick as we can get you there. The other thing that I wanted to talk about are your backlinks. You're currently showing for 5. A backlink is any website that points back to you. It's kind of a popularity contest. Google, the more sites that are pointing back at you, the more popular they think you are, the more relevant they think you are, and the more authority they're going to give you when it comes to ranking. Some of your citations are going to give you backlinks. There's also blog commenting, but you do want to keep them relevant to what you do. Not all backlinks are created equal. A backlink to Pizza Hut's not going to really do you any good unless maybe you're cleaning the Pizza Hut restaurants with your pressure washing service. Then it might do okay. But you can go into different blogs about pressure washing and things like that that are relevant to what you do. Read up on some articles, post a comment on there, put a link back to your site. Some of those will give you backlinks. There's lots of ways to do it. If we look here, these guys aren't showing any backlinks. These guys aren't showing any backlinks either. So what I wanted to do is jump over here real quick, and we're going to pull up this guy's site because he is ranking number 1 organically. And as you can see here, he's got way more content on the site. There's still not a lot, so he'd be super easy to beat out. And this is also, it looks like one of his back pages for your area. But if I take this same thing here and I pop him into Ahrefs where we can see what he's got. They're still not really showing up for anything, but see, his website is OregonPressureWashing.com, but then we're looking at one of his back pages. So we're going to pull out that extra information. and see if this goes up, and that's why he's getting ranked organically. So, like I said, even on the backlinks, the guy's only got 28. Super easy to beat out. He's only showing up for 6 keywords. So even with this, he's got, looks like he's mostly in Portland. And then he's got the back page for Sherwood. But house washing, Portland, Oregon, there's 80 people a month that search that keyword. He's in the 33rd position, so they're still not seeing him, really not finding him there. I'm not exactly sure why he is ranking number 1 on anything, because as of this, he's not. But he did show up number 1 where we were looking. So Google's got something funny going on right now, but we'll figure out what that is. But, looking at the site and everything, your site's not in bad shape. You are showing up in the map pack, so that is a definite plus. But like I said, just kind of a quick overview on things that can help you out. Look at your content, try to get your keywords and stuff in there. About 1,500 words on that home page and 500 to 750 on those back service pages. Citations, just go out there and just keep adding those in. It is something you can do. It just takes a lot of time. Go out, find the directory, sign up for it, get your information in there, and keep moving up on that map pack. Work on your backlinks. Your citations will help you with that. There's blog commenting. Say you've got somebody that builds decks or fences, or a concrete guy or landscaping guy that has their own website, but they don't actually do pressure washing. But you guys kind of have the same client base. Talk to those guys. Maybe they could put a link to your site on their site. You can put a link back to their site on yours, kind of throw some traffic back and forth that way, and help all of you move up on Google. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Nathan with Wash Sensei. It's 833-946-2215. Thanks for your time.